Hi to all. I am S. Kumar, Assistant Professor from RLP, College of Commerce. In this video, we will discuss about programming in C, branching, and looping. In this video, detailedly see about looping statement. So, what is looping statement? It is perform set of process repeating a multiple times until a specific condition is satisfied. When the condition is false, the looping statement will be terminated. Otherwise, the output statement will be displayed. So it is also known as iteration statement, and the other name is looping statement. There are three types of looping statement. First one is while, do while, and for. These three types of looping statements in C. First, we will discuss looping in C. While looping C. So it is also known as entry control loop. It is where the block statement is executed in the while loop until the condition specified in the while loop is satisfied. When the while loop condition is false, that time the loop will be terminated, or otherwise the loop will be executed. So it is called as a entry control loop, or otherwise pre-tester loop. This is a syntax for while loop. So first one is initialization. Here we initialize the value to the variable. Next while, here we give condition, and then if the condition is true, the block of statement will be executed. Next step is the variable value will be incremented +1 or -1. Next we will move to the next condition. If the condition is true, the block statement will be executed, or otherwise the condition is false, then the step will be terminated. So this is the example of while loop. So first one is header file, next one is main function, and the next one is I equal to 1, it is initialization, and then while I less than or equal to 10, condition is true, print I value, otherwise loop will be terminated. So this is the basic example of while loop. So while loop is an entry control loop. First initialize the value, next check the statement, and if the statement is true, then the statement will be evaluated, otherwise the loop will be terminated. This is the basic concept of while loop.